Hey, what up? Is this picture made on the tripod or by handheld? This is the In-Body Image Stabilization on the EOS R5 experiment. Hey, what's up? How you doing? This video is all about long exposure and the bulb mode in the Canon EOS R5 or even in the Canon EOS R or R6. And just let me know, what do you think first? Down below in the comment, make a pause. Was this shot made handheld or did I use the tripod? I even make the photo with the Canon RF 85mm 2.0. It's also tricky. I will give you the answer in a few moments. I just want to explain to you first that the Canon EOS R5 and the R6 have a 5-axis image stabilization, in-body image stabilization. And when you have, for example, the 15-35, you have up to 8 stop. What does it mean? The rule is when you're having a lens, let's say a 50mm, your shutter speed will be 150. If you have a 100mm, your shutter speed will be 1 at 100, maybe a little bit more. But with the image stabilization and this lens, the 15-35, I can reduce my shutter speed up to 8 stops. And even on the 85mm, I think I have around 5 stops. I tried last night first to make some pictures here from my balcony in the night. How many seconds I can handheld my camera without shaking when I'm doing photography. And I will let you know also now first how you make bulb mode in the Canon EOS R, R5 or R6, because it's also very simple and easy, and you can use your smartphone, that you don't need a second accessory, because with the smartphone you can set the shutter speed. So to set your shutter speed range, you go into the menu, the orange one on number 2, and then you can go to the low speed and to the high speed. It's really here simple and easy. You go up, you go down. That's a half second, 1 second, 2 seconds, 4, 8, 15, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds is maybe a little bit too much, so we make, let's say 8 seconds. And then you confirm, okay. Now your shutter speed is 8 seconds. When do you want to make your picture more precise? I highly recommend to put your camera, of course, on a tripod and use the bulb mode and connect your camera with your smartphone. Then you don't have to control the shutter button on the camera, because you control the shutter button on your smartphone. And when you make a long exposure, like 15 seconds, it's just, if you touch the shutter button, it's a little bit shaking and it's not precise enough. To make it more precise, you go into the mode, and from manual you go into the bulb mode. Then you connect to Wi-Fi your camera with your smartphone, and with your smartphone you can now control the shutter speed. And here comes the answer. Yes, I made this picture handheld, and the 5-axis image stabilization in the R5 or R6 is fantastic. I believe you can make images, especially in the nighttime, up to 2 seconds handheld. It depends, of course, how shaky your hands. I think my hands are quite smooth. I will try it out again, and I really enjoy the image stabilization for photography in the Canon. I also enjoy it for filming, but today it was about photography. I also recommend to use a tripod for longer exposure, but to be honest, I'm also not the big fan to always put a large tripod with me. That's why I make also some pictures on these PGI Tech mini tripod. By the way, link below, there is a video about this really great mini tripod. I hope you liked the video. That's today from my side, and I see you in my next video. Peace.